Hi, it's Michaela Minkler. We are going to go over adding and subtracting integers with real world applications. So, important thing we need to know is keywords. Just some examples, not all the examples you're going to see. Negative numbers are usually when we're talking about below sea level. Maybe we're in debt, owing money, taking money out. Temperature, we may see it, we're below zero. Positives, we'll see above sea level, keeping money, putting money in, getting a refund, and for temperature, above zero temperatures. Lena has $185. Sorry, getting my highlighter. $185 to decorate her room. She returned a rug and got a $75 refund. So that's a positive number. She then bought a lamp for $48. So she lost that $48. How much money in dollars and cents did Lena have left to spend after buying the lamp? So she has $185 originally. We get a refund, so we get money back, $75. So now she has $260. Then she spends $48 on a lamp. So she has $212 left. On Saturday, the temperature outside was negative 14 degrees Celsius. On Sunday, the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. What integer represents the temperature change? So what is the difference between 20 degrees Celsius? Difference means subtract. Negative 14. We keep, change. The difference is 34 degrees Celsius. That's how much it changed. I also like to picture like a number line with a thermometer. This is 0. This is negative 14. This is 20 up here. If we have this change right here, if we have this change right here, it's gonna be more than 14. It's gonna be more than 20. Michelle played a new card game where each card drawn earns or loses her points. Her points of the 4 rounds are shown in the table. What is the total number of points Michelle scored in the 4 rounds? Total means we're going to add. So we have -3 plus 5. That is going to be 2. 2 plus -2 is 0. Plus that 4 is 4 points. Is 4 points. Zachary, I need you to cut out that text I got from you. Lauren hiked 40 feet up a mountain. Her husband, Sean, decided to go scuba diving and swam 20 feet down. What is the difference in their elevation? So I have a mountain. Lauren's up here. Then I have the sea. Sean is down here. What's my big difference here? 40 minus -20. Keep, change. That is 60 feet. Thank you for watching.